You can make this amazing pump from a throwaway toothpaste tube. You require a balloon, a stiff straw and a scissors. Cut the toothpaste tube at about 5 centimeters from its mouth. There'll be still toothpaste sticking, so clean it well. Then fix a balloon on the threads and then chop the balloon. Now this small part of the balloon would act like a one-way valve. One-way traffic. If you blow air, then the air will pass through, but you can't suck in air. One side is green light, the other is red light. Then you make a small hole near the bottom of the tube and then take a stiff straw and press fit it in this tube. This would be the delivery pipe for the pump. Now take the balloon along with the lower end, and because the tube is flexible, you just push it in. And now the pump is almost ready. Hold it vertically and move it up and down in a mug of water. Soon the whole tube will get filled with water and water would gush out from the outlet tube. This is a pump which costs no money and can be made from throwaway toothpaste tubes.